இதுக்கு தான் ஊருக்குள்ள ஒரு ஆளினால் அழகராஜா தேவைங்கிறது.
Welcome friends, welcome to my channel All in All Adityan. This is a very short video of how I celebrated Ganesha Chathurthi, especially the food part of it. Anyway, so I plan to make Pushnika and Vinayaga more kodambu, manja paringika tenga potta curry. Then little on the spicier side, I took senai to make a hot poriyal. I had cut all the vegetables and kept them aside ready, chilies and ginger and whatever I require. Freshly grated coconuts and a few small pieces of coconut to put in the appam. And then this is the vellam, roughly about half a kilo. I plan to make some korakatai and vella appam also. I got my sundal ready, just have to put some talip to it. Okay, so let's here I have soaked udundu for the vadai as well as for the uppu korakatai. Okay, here I am taking 1 cup of whole wheat atta. This is for the appam. I am adding about half a cup of rice flour in it, and then a few bananas. I'll be adding the jaggery syrup later. I'll be boiling it and straining it to make sure there are no dust particles inside, and then I will blend it finally, and then leave it to ferment for 1 hour. It will come off fluffy and nice. No need to add soda or anything. Here I have the aravai for the more kodambu, little bit of dhania, some black peppercorns, some jeera and kadalaparuppu, little bit of thoramparuppu mixed inside. I like to make the more kodambu a bit spicier, so I'm doing it this way. Okay, usually it would be bland, but since I'm not having any other sambar or kodambu, I'm making it a bit spicy. Just adding a little bit of oil to bring out the flavor. Nicely roast the whole thing. Some fresh karveplai. I have already kept my jaggery to boil. Here it is. Just make sure everything is nicely dissolved, and then I'll be filtering it. I have not taken any measurement, just eyeballed it. I have added some coconut for the other way, just saute it a little bit. My syrup is almost ready. Here I have it oil hot for the more kodambu, just the basic talipu, kadigu, jeeragam, a little bit of vendiyam, pachamala. I'll be sauteing the pushtika and the Vinayaga first, and then a little bit of salt and turmeric powder, and then add some water and let it cook for a while, and then I'll be adding in the aravai later. It's a very simple homely preparation. My wife is making all the puja arrangements ready, all the pictures, the flowers and everything. She's getting it done there. I like to have the vegetables boil. This is the aravai for the more kodambu. It has to be grinded a bit more. Here I am starting off with the purnam for the korakatai. 3 to 4 handfuls of coconut. Like to saute them nicely, add in some crushed cardamom. Usually it is 1:1 ratio, 1 cup of coconut to 1 cup of jaggery. So I am adding the jaggery, thick jaggery syrup little by little. I don't want it to be too runny or too dry. Just blend it all in and let the heat do its job. Actually, it will thicken the coconut mixture. Just take about a minute or so. Once you take it off from heat, it will naturally cool down and get stiffened. And I have put the aravai. It's almost done. Nice boil, just a little bit water because it is very thick. Here it's almost done, the purnam, so I would be taking it off the flame. Here I am going to add the jaggery syrup for the vella appam. I am going to do it in the appam paniharam wok. Here I have blended it in nicely. Also I have added some pachakalpuram to it. This is talipu for the curry. This is the yam hot curry, Vinayaga hot curry. Just the basic talipu. added some manja podi and then my special sambar podi and some perengayam. It's done. Also flavored it with some gingerly oil. So this curry is done. I forgot to put the black elder for the purnam, so here the appam is ready. And this is the manja parangika curry, almost done. I just have to add the coconut. My wife finished her puja jobs and then she's back to make the hot vada. She seems to be good in that. Almost done. So most of the meal is done. This is the uppu kodakattai, the ulundu which is grounded, and basic thalipu and then spiced up, and that's a meal ready. The prasadam, sweet kodakattai, uppu kodakattai, shenakazha curry, parangika curry, vella appam. This is the vadai, and I have also made the aval prasadam, sundal, and this is the javarsi applams, and somewhere I also kept some. This is the purnam for the player. This is the one. Somewhere I had also kept some dal, plain parapu. I don't know where it is. Okay, it's down here. Okay, all the meal is ready. So thank you for watching. See you back with another video. Bye.
Moreya re papa mo